Hi, my name is Raymond with PRC. I'm a tech here, and today I got me and my crew underneath the house. So come on, follow me, and I'm going to show you what's going on today. Come on in. So what we got in here is a clean space. Right now we need to lay down all this plastic down here, and we're pretty much trying to encapsulate the whole crawl space here. So we have just a lot of taping to do. Taping and cleaning. So in order for us to complete this, we have to spray glue everything all around the concrete post and seal everything accordingly. There shouldn't be any holes here at all, so that way nothing can rise up, and if a water damage were to happen, nothing would get on the crawl space area, to make it easier for the plumbers to access and fix anything when necessary. So this is not like your original crawl space. This is a mobile home, but what the clean space is here to do is to negate any effects of water. If you have a burst pipe in your house, for example, when a water pipe bursts, it'll go all down, and instead of having to deal with all the mud, problems, insects, and bugs, all we do is we just come up and extract it without any problems. Right after that, your plumber can come out here and fix everything that he needs to. So right over here, this is where we have to complete the rest. It needs to go up on top, at least maybe around 3 inches underneath it, and we're gonna have to seal all this all the way down in order to make this complete. Hey Armando, what's going on? Hey Cruz, what are you guys doing? How you guys doing over here? How you guys doing? Okay, sounds good. So right now, we got my crew here. They're fixing up the last piece of the plastic over here for the corners, and these guys, they know what they're doing. Okay guys, so that's everything for us for today. So thank you guys for being here. It's a short video. We're happy that you can go through the walkthrough. Well, more like the crawl through. Anyway, if you guys had any more questions, please comment on the videos or visit us at prcinc.com. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one, and I'm gonna get back to work.